Welcome to Bulloch County News Network, where we cover news for Bulloch County and surrounding areas. Tonight, we have breaking news. Hello and good evening. Thank you for joining us on Bulloch County News Network. Over the next few days, we'll have a winter storm that will impact our area. This storm could lead to power outages, icy roads, and closures of schools and businesses. Here is a graphic from this storm from the GFS model. Shown above is a graphic from the GFS model showing the snow into the south area. What you'll be able to expect from this model is for the purple to orange colors, you'll be able to see freezing rain and sleet. And for the light blue to dark blue colors is going to be snow. And for rain is going to be green and yellow. Thank you for watching Bulloch County News Network. We hope you enjoyed tonight's episode. Make sure to stay safe during this winter storm. We're expected to see up to 1 to 3 inches of snow in the Bulloch County area. There definitely will be ice on the roads, so make sure you use caution while driving. We recommend not driving during this storm. Stay safe and stay tuned for more episodes.